Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien. This is day 4 of vocabulary challenge. So let's start. Today I will tell you connectors which you can use during your speaking, especially in section A and section B both, and then writing as well in both section A and section B. So let's start. First, en plus, which means additional. Second, de plus, which means furthermore. Third, de surcroît means moreover. Fourth, en outre means furthermore. Sixth, en fin de compte means ultimately or finally. Seventh, finalement means finally. Eighth, enfin, which means finally. Merci, à bientôt. Follow me for French related content and start the challenge now.